You need to stop waiting to get monetized on YouTube to start making money. The two main ways to make money on YouTube, as we all know, is through AdSense or sponsored videos, but there is a third, and that is affiliate marketing. Let's take the top I have on as an example. If you happen to like this top, and I have it linked down below with one of my affiliate links, and you end up buying the top, I will make a small commission off of that purchase. The commission can range between 5 to 50% depending on which brand or companies you're working with, but usually on clothing it's on the lower end, so I would say between 5 and 15. So essentially it's like I'm selling you something and then I make a commission off that purchase if you end up buying the product. If this top is about $10 and my commission is, let's say, 10%, I would only make $1 from every purchase of this top. So it would take like 10 people buying it for me to make $10 off the purchase. But as the price of the product goes up, so does your commission. In my opinion, the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is by joining an affiliate network like Reward Style, ShopStyle Collective, Magic Links, Amazon Affiliate, and I'm sure there's a whole lot of others, but those are the ones that I know of, as well as apparel, but that I think is a little bit on the newer side, I don't know. But yeah, those are the 5 that I know of, and the one I use is Reward Style. So when I applied on Reward Style, all I had to do was fill in my details and everything, you know, the basic stuff. And at the time I had about 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and around 700 on Instagram, so I didn't have much of a following, but I was posting consistently and I did get accepted into the program the first time I applied. So it goes to show that it almost has nothing to do with followers, you know. You don't need to have 10k followers to get accepted into one of these affiliate networks, and that's what I really love about it, because even to get monetized you need 4,000 watch hours, and that's a lot. And even when you do get your 4,000 watch hours, AdSense money just doesn't roll in like that, you know. There's a lot of things that go into making money on YouTube, but with affiliate marketing it's a lot simpler. Another thing you might need to consider is your region. Before applying to Reward Style, I had tried to apply on Magic Links. I didn't get accepted because of where I am, and that's okay, you know, some things don't work in this region, only God knows why. But yeah, that's one thing you need to consider. I strongly recommend you apply to as many as you can. I would say maybe 3 or 4, just because not all networks support all brands. So Reward Style supports a whole lot, but there are some that doesn't, and maybe ShopStyle Collective will support. And there are also some stores that are not part of any affiliate networks, but you can go onto their websites and they have a way for you to become an affiliate of that store individually. You can also do that. All you need to do is type into Google the name of the store and then affiliate, and then it will pop up if they do have an affiliate program for that store. The 3 that I would recommend you get started with is Reward Style, Amazon Affiliates, and Magic Links. Magic Links you can link to almost anything. Amazon Affiliates is a good one because everyone uses Amazon, at least everyone in the Western world uses Amazon. So if you're that side, you know, you can always use it, even if you're here, but it's a little bit more expensive. But anyway, and Reward Style is really good because not only does it allow you to link things through their network, they also have an app called Like to Know It, which is really good for fashion bloggers, which is what I am. So the app is basically like a platform of its own where you as a creator can go and upload a picture of your outfit or upload a picture of something, you know, whatever's going on, and you can directly link everything on that picture. So everyone who watches your videos can use the link to your Like to Know It profile and shop everything you have on your feed, on your YouTube, anywhere, virtually anywhere, which is a feature that I don't think any other platform has. If you do end up wanting to try Reward Style, comment down below with all of your details and I can send you a referral. It might be a little bit easier to get accepted with a referral. So if you want that, you can just leave a comment and I don't mind sending you guys referrals. So now that you know what affiliate marketing is and which networks or brands you can use, I'm going to share a little bit of my experience. I told you that I've applied to a Reward Style and Magic Links. I didn't get accepted to Magic Links, and I also applied to ShopStyle Collective and I got accepted to that. This was around last year, towards the end of the year. The one that I use the most, like I said, is Reward Style because they have a lot of brands on there, and as someone who's always shopping and doing clothing hauls and all of that, it does help to get something back from the clothes that you spend, even though I always buy my clothes because I want to, not because I'm trying to make money off the clothing. My first video that included any type of affiliate linking was my jeans video that I posted sometime in January this year, and the first sale that I made was $2, and I made that sale on the 26th of January. I didn't actually expect anyone to buy those jeans. I was just hoping and crossing my fingers and praying for the best, you know. And yeah, a lot of people actually ended up liking the jeans that I was talking about, and people did actually buy them. So I forgot to mention this during the video, but I've made over $300 on that video alone. And with Reward Style, you actually don't just make a commission on the item that you link to, you make a commission on the whole purchase. In that video I was talking about jeans from ASOS. So if you ended up buying that jean and a whole lot of other items, I would make let's say 10% on all of those items, not only the jean, which is also really cool. And I guess that's a pro of reward style. But a con is that the payout time really varies. Fast forward to February, March-ish, I had made about $100 and I was expecting to get my money, you know, because I earned that money, but I didn't get it because there is a payout time. So what this means is that when you initially make your commission, they give it about 100 to 140 days of waiting time in order to become closed earnings. So when you initially make the commission, it's called open earnings, because the customer might decide to return the item. In that case, they would have to remove the commission that you made on that purchase. In order to avoid any problems, they only pay out your money after that waiting period has passed. It is a really long waiting period, so that's why this is mostly passive income, where you kind of just post your video and let it do what it does. And whether people will buy the things that you link to, you don't know, and you don't know when you're going to get that money. So it's definitely more of a passive income kind of thing. Now that I've told you all of this about affiliate marketing and all of that, it only works if your audience trusts you and what you recommend to them. Because if I don't trust you, I'm not going to buy the things that you tell me to buy, and you'll be essentially wasting your time and your money. Only link items that you actually use and love, because people can tell whether you actually like something or not. You don't just want to be linking a whole bunch of things in order to make your commission. Be very mindful of the things that you link and make sure that it makes sense with whatever your content is about. A good video idea if you want to get started with affiliate marketing and actually show people things that you like and hopefully make a commission from those things is those monthly favorites videos, where people will talk about what they got in the month and what they really love, or what they got last month and what they really love. Even clothing hauls do really well, because it's very difficult to lie to someone when they can see you wearing the item. And if I'm sitting here in this top and it doesn't look nice and I'm telling you to buy the top, you're not going to buy the top because you can see it on me, and let's say it doesn't look nice, you know, you're not going to buy it. But because it's clothing, you see it on me, you see that it's pretty, then you will probably buy it. TikToks and Reels have been doing very well lately. Instagram and TikTok allow you to have a link on your profile, so you can either use the Like to Know What app to post pictures of your outfits or post pictures of the items that you have and link them through there. Or the first person I saw do this was Naja. I don't know if you follow her. I'll leave like a screenshot here. She created an Excel spreadsheet with all the links to her items, which is really smart. And because it's an Excel spreadsheet, you can use all of your affiliate networks and link things with different networks depending on what brands are part of which network. I hope that made sense. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you understand what affiliate marketing is and how you can actually make money through it. I haven't been using it for a very long time, so I'm still kind of new, but I've told you everything that I know so far. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I will answer them as best as I can. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so other people looking for this information can also find it. It really helps with the performance of the video. And yeah, I will